Want to design Shopify pages that look clean, responsive, and just flat-out professional, without the guesswork? In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to master constraints, margins, and padding in the Foxify page builder, so your layout stays sharp on every screen. Let's jump in. Let's start with constraints. They control how elements stay positioned inside their parent containers across all screen sizes. By default, when you add and move an element within a container, Foxify automatically docks it to the top and either the left or right edge of the parent element, depending on proximity. This is known as automatic constraints. The constraints are indicated by the dashed blue lines surrounding it. To enable automatic constraints, select the element, head to the Inspector panel. In the Design tab, click on Auto Constraints Elements. For more control, you can set manual constraints. In the Constraints section of the Inspector panel, choose two constraint points, top or bottom, and left or right, and specify their values. Click the center icon if you want to make the element always in the center. Horizontal constraints, left or right, are set in percentages, while vertical constraints, top or bottom, use pixels. For instance, a left constraint of 10% on a 1265 pixels wide container results in a 126.5 pixels margin. This ensures your design remains consistent across various screen sizes. Need fast alignment? Use the section's position alignment to override any constraints in a single click. Next, let's discuss margins. Margins create space outside an element, separating it from neighboring elements. In the Design tab of the Inspector panel, locate the Spacing section. Here, you can see the input boxes for top, bottom, left, and right margins. Consistent margins are key to creating a clean, professional layout. Think of them as invisible padding between your content blocks. Finally, let's talk about padding. The space inside an element, between its content and its border. Within the Spacing section of the Design tab, adjust the padding values to control the internal spacing. Padding helps your content feel comfortable and balanced, especially important for buttons, text boxes, or feature sections. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to use constraints, margins, and padding to build cleaner, more responsive pages in Foxify. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe so you never miss a design tip. Got questions or want us to cover something specific? Drop a comment below, we're here to help. See you in the next tutorial, and as always, keep designing with Foxify.